Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phi and this is Money Philosophy. Thank you for coming back for another day of Tesla technical analysis. We will be going over charts today to see what Tesla will do for the rest of the week, knowing that Monday, July the 26th after market close is Tesla earnings result. So I am very excited for Monday. In fact, I plan on taking the day off on Monday just to kind of sit back and listen to the conference calls and see what Elon Musk have to say about the future of Tesla. But as traders, we are taking one day at a time and we are trying to capitalize on the momentum leading into earnings. So let's break that down and then let's look at that in conjunction with the possible good earnings coming out of Tesla as of Monday. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I am a growth stock investor and a trader, and I'd love to share with you my investing and trading journeys. Looking at the daily chart, the time right now is 3:45 Eastern Standard Time or 12:45 Pacific Standard Time. So we are almost at the end of the trading day. Tesla is up $14 for the day, a little bit over 2%. Today, the price action seems interesting, but it's important to note that the volume as of the time of this recording is only 59%, which is very low for Tesla. And the daily seems to have a bullish hammer, which is really good, and it ends the day at $660. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. We can see that Tesla attempt to spike above this pivot point here, which is the top pivot line for Tesla. And tomorrow trading range would range from 674 on the upper end, 654 in the middle pivot, and 647 on the lower range. So tomorrow it seems to elevate Tesla for a whole $10-15 based on today's price action. So that is really good news. Once again, I'd like to see Tesla go back to 689 tomorrow or the day after to see the bullish trend resumed. On the 4-hour chart here, we can see that Tesla made the bottom right around $620. It crossed below 50 days SMA for a little bit and then start bouncing back up. For now, it looks like it have double bottom here at around 620, 625 area, which is a really strong support as I mentioned in my last video, and now it is going back up. So there's a mini W in progress here with the double bottom down here. Ideally, I'd like to see Tesla back to 689 and then 704, which I think is achievable if Tesla keeps up this momentum tomorrow. It would easily be at around 675 to 677 and possibly even 689 tomorrow if there's volume. This is Tesla 15-minute chart. This is pretty impressive for the price action. So it opened the day at around $652, went down, almost touched the pivot line, which also coincide with 200 days SMA. Once again, this is a very strong support area for Tesla, and sure enough, it bounced. Because it did not have volume, it did not go back up vigorously. It only made its way back very slowly to the pivot line up here and then surpassed the pivot line. Right now, at the time of this recording, we're 10 minutes away from close and Tesla is finishing up on a very strong note. So that is always good news. It's important to take a step back even as a trader and note that the last quarterly delivery result was really good, the highest for Tesla so far, and Tesla consistently has been making a new all-time high with quarterly delivery result, despite the fact that the Model S and X are not necessarily in full production mode. So that means that there's absolute demand out there, and one might even say that there's also pent-up demand waiting for the EV credit. Myself, for example, I'm waiting for the EV tax credit before making a move on buying a Tesla. So once the EV tax credit comes out, hopefully by the end of the year, we should see a huge wave of demand coming in. So what does that leave us from here? That means that Q2 with a good delivery result, we should see the automobile revenue going off the chart and then continuously top that with Q3 and Q4 very good results as well. And let's not forget, Giga Berlin and Giga Texas is supposed to be ready for production sometime in Q3 or Q4 at the latest. So we should expect a lot more activities going on in the back half of the year. I do have a call option, a leap call option out to June 2023 for the strike price of $1,000. I entered the call option a few days ago, and I wanted to share this with you because it's probably a option that I want to hold a little bit longer, but depending on how much the run is for the next few days, I might take it off before earnings if we have enormous run from here until then. If not, I might probably hold it, but Tesla is classic for selling the news. Even if earnings is great, it always has a tendency to sell the news. So that's something to keep in the back of your mind if you do want to hold options through earnings. I will make another video from now until the end of the week analyzing earnings result for Tesla and my projection of Tesla. So hopefully you'll look out for that. But other than that, I hope that the information today has been helpful to you. Consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like more update of Tesla, whether it's regular news update or technical analysis. Until the next video, bye.